Okay, we're going to duplicate a segment. So the first thing that we need to start with is you're always given a segment. So right now I'd like you to draw a segment of any length. Just use the straight edge part. We're not using the ruler part. We never use a ruler in a construction. A construction only uses a straight edge and a compass. So I'm not real sure why they put rulers on these compasses. This is a safety compass. I like it because it never stabs me when I stick my hand in the bowl or in the bag to pull it out. You'll see the ones that have a very sharp point and has a pencil in it. That's another type of, that's the same compass. So label your given information. We're going to call our original segment AB. So this is our given. It's what we start with. So if somewhere I want you to construct a segment of equal length, so maybe I have a line, go ahead and just draw a longer line segment, and let's put a C on it. And I ask you to construct a segment of equal length. So I want you to make AB and CD to be congruent. You cannot use your ruler. The only thing that you can use is your compass. Now your compass will draw circles. So what about a circle? What measurement do we have in a circle? What pieces of a circle do we have? We have diameter, which is all the way across. We have radius, which is what? Halfway. It's from the center of the circle out. And so that's what we're going to use to measure. So on your compass, you'll see there's a very faint plus sign in the middle. You're going to put that center of that plus sign on the A. And then you're going to unscrew this. Remember, we're not going to over tighten it, because if we do, then it'll break it. And you're going to find the point in the hole, one of the two holes, and then you're going to tighten it down. So the crosshairs are at one point, and the hole is at the other point.
Like on B?
Yes, you want to have one on A and then one on B. And then you're going to stick your pencil in that hole, hold your finger on the spinny part, and you're going to just kind of mark it like that. So it's a little bit of an arc. We could draw the whole circle if we wanted to, but we're not going to. So practice that. Finger on the center, on the little spinny part, at the center of your circle, and then stick your pencil in the hole, and you have to make sure that you tighten it down. Now, if you are working on anything more than just the desk, like if you're working in a notebook, it's not going to spin right. So you really want your paper on, I wouldn't even have it on a packet, sitting on a packet of papers, it's not going to spin right. So I would go on the hard desk. So once you have that, you're going to come down here to C, and you're going to let C be the center of your circle, and you're going to draw that arc. Now we know these two line segments are going to be congruent because this radius is the same as this radius. So we would call this point D. And so we could say that AB is congruent to CD because their radiuses are the same. So duplicating a segment, constructing a segment is a little bit, really, that's all we did. But it's a base that we're going to use when we construct a square and stuff like that. So we marked it here, we came down, marked it here, they have the same radius, so we can show that they're congruent, putting a little tick mark in there. And that's how you duplicate a segment.